What's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here with one of my students. Yeah, I'm at the Broward County DMV. I'm not going to say which one it is because, as you know, I'm not really supposed to say what DMV, and I can't really show too much of the outside of the DMV because it's prohibited, right? So I'm going to run through the test with my student here. I mean, you know the drill. Just like, subscribe, and share the video, please. So we're gonna run through the video real quick. We're doing the brand new driving test because the DMV examiners are back in the car. So we're back to what the driving test was prior to COVID. Alright, so they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Left.
Left. What else do you do?
Put the car in park and then pull up the handbrake, turn off the ignition.
Okay, cool. Go ahead, do your turn signal. Signal left. Signal right. Blow the horn. Press and release the brake. Okay, so they're doing that to make sure that all of the lights are working. The turn signal lights, the brake lights, the horn. They'll not take you out in a car if those things are not working. Alright? So reverse from here and we're gonna go to the left. So reverse straight back until your mirror get to the end of the line. And then we're gonna turn all the way right. When your mirror gets to the end of the line, like about right here, you're gonna stop. Turn all the way right. And look behind you as you reverse. Alright, stop about here, put the car back in drive. Signal left, turn all the way left. And then we're gonna go to the stop sign. Straighten out. We're gonna go to the stop sign. Make sure you stay on your right side. Make sure you signal every time they tell you to make a left or right turn. Because if you don't, you will get 4 negative points for each one. So stop here. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and make your left turn. Go to the stop sign and make a left. Up a little bit more. Alright, so you stay close to the right side. Again, you listen exactly whatever they tell you to do. Again, the examiner will be sitting here, so they'll give you instructions where to turn. So you just listen to them, put on your turn signal as soon as they say you're turning. And you drive at about 10 miles per hour, maximum speed in the shopping center. It's a, it's a small shopping center, so you want to keep the speed at about 10 miles per hour average, and stay close to the right side, obviously, because it's a shared parking lot that other cars could be coming around on the other side. So as we pass the street that's sticking out here, we're gonna make sure the mirror is past the curb, and then make your right turn. So if your mirror isn't past the curb, the back wheel will hit the curb. We don't want to do that. So you come up here and you slow down. When your mirror is past the curb, you're going to make a right, all the way right. And we're going to pull up on the right side, because then they're going to ask you to speed up to 20. Straighten the wheel here. And they're going to ask you to speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. So we're going to roll straight down here, 20 miles per hour, and do a sudden stop. Go ahead, speed up, 20. And stop. Okay, that's cool. Now reverse, straight back. So you look behind you, keep the wheel straight. If you're straight when you stop, the car will roll straight back. So look behind you and go straight back. And they'll tell you when to stop. So we're gonna stop about here. Put the car back in drive. And this time we're gonna go straight down here. We're gonna do the 3-point turn down there. We're gonna park into the second parking space, which is the alternate. If there's somebody doing the other driving test, then they'll take you and do this test. So we're gonna do this one for this video. So closer to the right side, and we're gonna make a 3-point turn. So stop about here, signal left, all the way left, and go forward until you're close to the curb. You're gonna stop before you hit the curb. Put the car in reverse, turn the wheel all the way to the right, and look over your left shoulder as you reverse, left shoulder. And you're gonna reverse until your mirror gets into the middle of this area. about there would be good. Put the car back in drive, signal left, turn all the way left. And we're gonna pull up close to the right side because the next thing we're gonna do is park in between the cones. So close to your right side. And we're gonna line up the mirror with the first cone, our pole. Like about that, signal left, turn all the way left. And you're going to roll into the space. As you get into the middle of the space, you're going to straighten the wheel. So pull up, straighten the wheel nice and easy, just like that, and pull straight in. And that would be about perfect, okay? Now we're gonna reverse. And when your mirror is past the end of the line, then we're going to turn all the way to the right, like about here, turn all the way right. And look behind you as you reverse. Go back a little bit more. Alright, that's good. Put the car in drive. Signal left again. We're going to make a quick left turn right there. Stay in the right lane as you go around the corner. This is important. You got to stay in your lane, right? You have to signal every time. You have to drive in the right lane. You have to stop at stop sign. You have to obey all pertinent rules and regulation, you know what I'm saying? Like you can't drive like, because it's a parking lot, you can do whatever. You still have to go by all the rules. Stop here. So we're gonna count 1, 2, 3, and you're gonna make a left turn, go into the right lane as usual. And then we're gonna go all the way down to the end of this corridor, and we're gonna park from there. We're gonna make a left turn, so go straight down. Signal left. Signal, yeah. Stay close to the right side. Make sure you stay in the right lane. And then we're gonna make a quick right turn, but again, you're gonna make sure that you're turning right, but you're gonna make sure your mirror is past the curb here. Make sure the mirror is past the curb. And then turn all the way right. And then turn all the way right again to roll into the parking space right here. Just keep it locked like that. And go all the way around. And then straighten the wheel. All the way around one more time. Turn the wheel one more time. The other way. One more. Right there. And pull straight in. Alright, cool. Put the car in park. Alright, so that's it. How do you think you did on that practice run?
Better than the last time.
Definitely. Like better than last time. Yeah, that was pretty decent actually. So in the morning we're going to practice again. Right. And I'm pretty sure you'll pass your driving test. So yeah. We'll put that in the description. Right. Yeah, so this is his first practice. Usually we do 2 practice before a driving test. So tomorrow morning we'll practice again and then he'll take his test. By the time I edit and post this video, I'll put in the description what he got on his driving test. But I'm pretty sure he'll do well. Alright, so again, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, share the video, tell everybody about the channel. If there's anyone out there trying to learn to drive that don't know about this channel, I don't know where they're hiding, but yeah, tell them about it, alright? Yeah. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.